Yeah, the burnout technique. It's very complicated. First off, I'm Alec Robbins.
All right, here we go. Robbins and Reader. Robbins out front, initiates into the first front clip. Reader right there in tow. Tuck it into formation around that second front clip. Reader a little bit tighter even on that second. Into the sweeper goes Robbins. Robbins works his way into the outside zone. Now shallows it up. You can see Robbins about the 4th hash mark if there was one. Alec into that first front clip. Past it. Gets it clean from Robbins. Filippi in that chase position. Crick being left in the dust. Alec Robbins growing a tail here. Takes a very shallow line.
This is my 86 D21. Had it since I was 16 actually. I've been building it and drifting it, and we won a Pro-Am Drift Championship with it like 3 years ago, and it's just kind of been a fun truck to drive ever since. So just a basic LS swap T56, super simple build, but super fun to drive. So yeah, we bring it out here. I think the last time we did the burnout comp was like 4 or 5 years ago. Technique, yeah, it's just first, second, I just grab third gear, the highest gear that it'll pull basically, and hold it to the floor. I wasn't going to stop until something broke, so it was either tires or motor or what, but it started blowing a little coolant out. I think it got a little hot, but I think we got both tires, so it was a win for us.